Hello guys, today I am going to build my project as APK. I am going to build and select generated signed bundle APK, select APK, and next I have a key store path already and I have selected. I am going to click next, selecting release and v1 v2 full APK signature and finish. It is showing me an error. What is the error? This is Lint found fatal errors while assembling the release target. What I have to do to proceed? Either fix the issue identified by Lint or modify your build script. I am going to resolve my issue by Lint. So I have to go on my build.gradle app level module, open this, and here add something which is Lint options and check release build builds and false. That's it. Sync your project and again generate signed APK next. I think problem solved. You can see this problem solved.